special vibe, girl. Takes a love, girl. Rock my world, girl. I'm all over, girl. Body so smoking, and no, I ain't joking. Get on over here, then we'll commence to stroking. I've been with other numbers, but damn, they were all bummers. Two girls and one cup, that just don't add up. Reacted like a hoe, or did it on the floor. But five, you are so naughty. Wanna get up in you, shawty. You got me on my knees.
The following message has been transmitted of the request of the United States government. The girl with the USA shirt has temporarily killed by a mysterious number. She was being killed and stabbed in the chest multiple times. Her heart can't take it anymore, but painfully she dies. There is an unknown message at this time.
Da. Da. Va.
Ga.
Da da. Da. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Yo.
The Civil Authorities has issued a child abduction emergency for Suffolk NY, Nassau NY, Queens NY, Kings NY, Bronx NY, New York NY, Westchester NY, Rockland NY, Putnam NY, Orange NY, Fairfield CT, Bergen NJ, Passaic NJ, Essex NJ, Hudson NJ, and Richmond NJ. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. Usagi Tsukino, also known as Sailor Moon, has been stabbed in the chest by 47. She is a Japanese 14-year-old girl, 5 inches tall, her skin color white, with blonde hair and blue eyes. She was last seen wearing an orange USA shirt, with blue shorts, with black socks and orange/white shoes. She was being shot when 47 stabbed her. Do not approach 47, or else you will face certain death. 47 is a 24-year-old boy, with his skin color black and purple, with red evil eyes. He was last seen holding a seed, and he plays as the Grim Reaper. Please contact 1-800-30-52744. This is an Amber Alert in New York City.
Ikrokaye.
Finally, I got Usagi's body and Jupiter is never going to save his girlfriend. Who's going to stop me?
And Jay, isn't today is a beautiful night in New York City?
Yes it is. Flurry. I see the skies are red and... Wait. Why is the sky red?
I don't know, NJ-saurus. I heard something screaming sounds and it's coming far away from us.
Oh God. Could it be Usagi?
I don't know SH kind. I'm scared from someone it's coming from. I'm scared SH kind. What?
There LL courage. I am here for you.
Guys, let's follow the prints.
Okay, free. I hope it's Usagi Tsukino.
Immediate evacuation. For the entire state of New York. The following message has been transmitted of the request of the New York Emergency Management Agency. Emergency Management reported that Rei Hino has been stabbed in the belly by 47. 47 is taking over the entire state of New York, and killing everyone that they would run really fast. Please evacuate the area and the New York State immediately. 47 destroyed the Empire State Building, and the Statue of Liberty. All residents in the city of New York, along with the state of New York, are advised to evacuate from the areas in New York. People being stabbed in the belly, the chest, even their legs and arms by 47. We have no idea who can stop him. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
We're breaking news. We go live in New York City that Usagi got stabbed in the chest, and got taken away by 47. Also we have most reports that Rei Hino got stabbed in the belly when she wasn't noticing it was 47.
Not only that. We heard a scream that Rei Hino was yelling and she got stabbed. Also, He took the entire state of New York, and the Manhattan Bridge got collapsed when 47 sliced the bridge when everybody was evacuating in New York. Here's a footage when Rei Hino got stabbed in the belly in 47's message on X.
Finally, Rei Hino is gone. Her Audi belly button is destroyed due to the intestines. For he will not save his girlfriend once and for all. Ha 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 ha. He'll never stop me. Ha 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 ha.
Well, we will miss you, Rei Hino. I can't believe this happening. Don't you agree, 31?
Yes. I agree with you, 24. But, I hope her heart is still alive. I hope she lives forever.
Okay. This is 24.
And 31. We are signing off as we speak. This program will now may resume.
You got any luck, Furry?
No. I'm just being sad for right now. Oh look. I see a McDonald's sign on the Times Square. I never been there before.
Oh yeah, I'm starving. Let's go in.
Wait. Fairy. Is that your girlfriend lying down on the sidewalk near across the McDonald's sign?
Rei Hino. Are you okay?
Furry. I don't feel so good. Someone just stabbed me in my belly.
Oh God. Someone call 911. My girlfriend is in danger.
I'm on it.
What's your emergency?
Yes. Hello? I found a dead body named Rei Hino lying down on the sidewalk with a lot of violence blood.
Okay. Give me your location so I can dispatch police units to investigate the body and the ambulance.
I am near at the Times Square, New York. Unit 2.
So you said that Rei Hino was lying down on the sidewalk near to the Times Square?
Yeah, I think so. Please hurry. We don't have time.
Okay. We will be on your way.
Where's the vibe, girl? Rock my world, girl. Ooh, yeah.
So, yes. Whoever stays on the bar the longest wins.
Let's help each other.
Yeah.
Rei Hino, wake up! What are you doing?
Out of my way. I need my space.
Help me, Carlos. Snatch. Thanks. Let's learn about the aliens.
It will be.
Law enforcement warning. For Poughkeepsie, New York. The following message has been transmitted of the request of the Poughkeepsie Police Department. 47 has unfortunately destroyed the Mid-Hudson Bridge, and he is taking over the city of Poughkeepsie. All residents of the city of Poughkeepsie are advised to evacuate the area immediately. Most reports of fires reported over in Poughkeepsie, and it will last by spreading more states. Do not wait. Evacuate now.
You're stepping on me.
Better?
Yes, and help us pull us up.
Oh!
Lana, hold into my other arm.
Haha, I got non-slip shoes, so ha. Hey, grr.
Catch.
Ugh. Ew, OMG, Carlo, please, no. Ah!
Nice going, Carlos. Great job. Well done.
Lana, let's swing. Yay.
Carlos, allegiance.
Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. Nuclear power plant warning. For New York, Connecticut, New Hampshire, New Jersey, Maryland, Pennsylvania, Maine, Delaware, and District of Columbia. The following message has been transmitted of the request of the Albany County Emergency Management. 47 has spreaded more states over in New York. Everyone is being traumatized from the accidents from these distances. All residents in the city of Albany, along with the rest of the northeastern United States, are advised to evacuate to the southern and midwestern United States immediately. The buildings has caught on fire, cars being melted, lampposts are being knocked down, and trees are burning up. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
Ikrok dayak. Yo. Ja.
From the past 12 o'clock, 47 has took over the states in the United States of America. 47 has stabbed Sailor Moon and Sailor Mars in the chest and the belly. This is a truly event. The 47 spawned a nuclear power plant across the USA border. All residents of in those states are advised to evacuate the area immediately. God bless America.
Event type of danger, in Toronto. 47 has left the United States border to the Canada border. 47 just stabbed a police officer next to the American and Canadian border so he can get in without a passport. All residents in the city of Toronto and the state of Ontario are advised to evacuate the area immediately.
type d'événement de danger, à Toronto. 47 a quitté la frontière des États-Unis pour la frontière du Canada. 47 vient de poignarder un policier à côté de la frontière américano-canadienne pour pouvoir se rendre. Il est conseillé à tous les résidents de la ville de Toronto d'évacuer la zone immédiatement.
This is 92.7's Fun FM, only random music in Birmingham, Alabama. Other situations in the state of New York: that Sailor Moon got stabbed in the chest. Well, let's hope that she's alright. Well, let's hear this music from Frozen. It's called Let It Go.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold me back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free.
The following message has been transmitted of the request of the Birmingham Police Department. At 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Multiple fires reported that there is an earthquake disaster in Birmingham. All residents of the city of Birmingham, along with the rest of the state, are advised to evacuate the area immediately. 47 just bombed Birmingham, and buildings are being knocked down when 47 uses his scythe. Evacuate now. Also, there's a excessive heat warning for all of the United States. Please take precautions. Drink plenty fluids, stay out of those fires. And also use sunscreen to avoid getting burned. Please evacuate now. A 5.2 magnitude earthquake is near Birmingham. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
Bothered me anyway.
Oh my god. It's really hot in our studio in Little Rock, Arkansas. Current News Radio will stay on the air as long as possible.
When we come back, most people include Usagi and Rei Hino will be revived soon. Rei is alive that her belly is being covered with tons of bandages.
You silly dimwits. Don't y'all get it? We are going to die.
23. That's not the case. 47 has took over the United States of America, including us. We're in Little Rock. There's lots of fires in Little Rock and there was an earthquake in Alabama, Birmingham.
Oh my god. Guys, 47 is here.
We do not care. 31.
What the guys? We must trust 31. She has a point about it.
Oh god. Guys. The studio is on fire.
What? No. God. Please save us from harm.
Someone save me. I'm too cute to die.
I'm burning alive.
I don't got time for that crying nonsense. I just want to die already.
We interrupt this message. Important instructions will follow. This is emergency action notification. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Rei Hino from the hospital in New York will speak to the President of the United States from the White House.
Transmitted at the request of the United States government. 47 has destroyed the entire United States of America and taken over the District of Columbia. All residents of the United States are advised to take the fallout shelter immediately. 47 has destroyed the following cities: San Francisco, San Antonio, Los Angeles, St. Louis, Las Vegas, Raleigh, Charlotte, Atlanta, Orlando, Tampa, Jacksonville, West Palm Beach, Miami, Tallahassee, Sacramento, Bismarck, Helena, Trenton, New York, Buffalo, Lansing, Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, Kansas City, Topeka, Dallas, Bakersfield, Tucson, Phoenix, Laredo, New Orleans, Charleston, Florence, Fayetteville, Myrtle Beach, Boise, Olympia, Seattle, Indianapolis, Fort Wayne, Norfolk, Richmond, Santa Fe, Austin, Pierre, Pensacola, Kitty Hawk, Hatteras, Commerce, Montgomery, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Baton Rouge, Oklahoma City, Syracuse, Chicago, Springfield, Concord, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Philadelphia, Montpelier, Augusta, Nashville, Providence, Louisville, Frankfort, Cincinnati, Cleveland, Columbus, Madison, Minneapolis, Anoka, St. Paul, Fresno, Clovis, San Diego, and San Luis Obispo. Those fires got destroyed by 47, and he is taking over the District of Columbia. This phenomenon will not proceed to continue due to the national threat. And Jesus Christ, our Lord, will help us save humanity. This message has been sent off the air. This channel has been transmitted of the National Weather Service, along with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA is currently working on the United States of America. This message has been sent off the air. Pray everything that you love with your friends and family. This is Rei Hino, signing off.
That was Rei Hino from New York, just got recovered from its belly wrapped around with tons of bandages. This is the emergency action notification message. All the EAS participants should transit this emergency alert system message. This is the emergency action termination. 47 was shot in the chest by a National Guard. All residents of the United States are advised to exit your shelters. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. This is the emergency action termination. All broadcasts will resume at this time. This is the emergency action termination. All broadcasts will resume at this time.
Hi guys. If you enjoy this video, click the subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below if you want to shout out. If you want to watch another video, click to my channel to watch more.